DJI is gearing up to drop one of its most anticipated drones ever, the DJI Air 4. Helicopter leaks, insider reports, and early prototype footage have sent the drone community into a frenzy, and for good reason. This next-generation Air series drone isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redesign of what a mid-range drone can do. We're talking about a new 1-inch sensor, 5.7K video, smarter AI flight controls, longer battery life, and a design so sleek it looks straight out of the future. In today's video, we're breaking down everything we know about the upcoming DJI Air 4, from its camera specs and flight intelligence to the expected price, release date, and how it could completely change the drone scene in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So, if you're thinking of upgrading from the Air 3 or waiting for something truly next level, stay tuned, because what you're about to see might just blow you away. Let's dive straight into all the insane new features that make the DJI Air 4 one of the most exciting drones DJI has ever built. The DJI Air 4 is finally on the horizon, and the excitement across the drone community is reaching new heights. As leaks, insider reports, and early prototype details continue to surface, it's becoming clear that this next-generation drone will be one of DJI's biggest leaps in the Air series yet. The Air 3 set an incredible standard for versatility, power, and portability, but the DJI Air 4 is rumored to take things to a completely new level, combining professional-grade performance with enhanced flight intelligence and an even sleeker, more aerodynamic design. If the latest leaks are accurate, DJI is preparing to redefine what mid-range drones are capable of in 2025. According to reliable industry insiders, the DJI Air 4 will introduce a brand new image sensor, likely a 1-inch CMOS or possibly even a stacked sensor derived from the Mavic 4 Pro series. This marks a major leap from the Air 3's dual 1/1.3-inch sensors. Early footage reportedly shows massive improvements in low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and richer color accuracy, making it a strong contender for both casual creators and professional aerial filmmakers. The Air 4 is also expected to support 5.7K video at up to 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-motion footage, and full 10-bit D-Log M color profile recording, giving creators cinematic control over their content. In terms of design, the Air 4 will reportedly feature a lighter, more compact frame while maintaining the Air lineup's signature folding arms. DJI seems to have focused on improving portability without compromising stability. Leaked renders suggest a refined aerodynamic body with quieter propellers, upgraded venting for heat dissipation, and improved wind resistance. The drone's overall weight may be under 600 grams, positioning it perfectly for hobbyists and travelers who prioritize convenience without losing access to premium specs. Battery life has always been a defining factor for DJI drones, and the Air 4 appears to push those boundaries even further. Rumors suggest a newly optimized intelligent flight battery that could offer up to 48 minutes of flight time on a single charge, a massive improvement over the Air 3's already impressive 46 minutes. Coupled with DJI's latest power management algorithm, users can expect more consistent performance even in colder temperatures or windy conditions. Of course, no DJI upgrade would be complete without smarter flight intelligence,